question has two different sections. In the first section, we have to write 30 as the product of its prime factors. So 30 can be written as twice of 15 and 3 5s are 15. Therefore, 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So this becomes the prime factorization of the number 30. In the second question, we are asked to find out the least common multiple of the numbers 30 and 45. The given numbers are 30 and 45. So, in order to find the least common multiple, we find out the common factors of 30 and 45. 5, 6 are 30 and 5 9s are 45. Further, it can be factorized with the number 3. 3 twice are 6, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, the least common multiple of 30 and 45 is 5 into 3 into 2 into 3. That is 15 into 2, that is 30. 30 into 3 is 9. Therefore, LCM of 30 and 45 is equal to 90. Hope the solution was understandable to all of you. Thank you.